In this video, we're going to talk about the vertical and the horizontal tangent of a parametric curve. So we've seen this before. If ever you want to find out dy by dx, you would simply differentiate this, and then you would simply differentiate this. Then you have yourself dy by dx. So remember back in high school, the gradient would be the up and down divided by the across. So if ever the up and down is 0, then you're going to have yourself a horizontal tangent. So dy by dx is this thing divided by this thing. But if ever this thing here is 0, then you're going to get yourself a horizontal tangent. Just make sure that this thing here is not 0. And then remember the gradient is the up and down divided by the across. Well, in the case of a vertical tangent, if you have a really big up and down, and then this is very, very small, then you're going to get a very, very steep gradient. Well, in the case of the gradient is always the up and down divided by the across. Well, if the across here is 0, if this thing here is 0, then you're going to get yourself a vertical tangent. Just make sure that this thing here is not 0. Okay, so a horizontal tangent will exist when this thing here is 0. Just make sure that that this thing here is not 0. And then if you have a vertical tangent, then this thing here will be 0, and then this thing here, just make sure it's not 0. In the case of 0 over 0, we're going to leave this for another time. Okay, so for the time being, horizontal exists when this thing here is 0, and the vertical tangent exists when this thing here is 0. Okay, we will make use of this in the next video. So by knowing that, for example, if you get given a parametric curve, you can identify the vertical tangent. So you can identify this point, and then you can identify the horizontal tangent. You can identify these points here. I will show you in the next example.